Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2023 SEAT Arona FR Sport. This car comes with a 1.5 petrol engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and returning up to 48 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 18 and this is a one owner vehicle having covered just over 11,000 miles and comes with full service history from SEAT. This colour is the magnetic tech grey and also with a black roof, which I think is a really nice combination, and it's in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got the equally nice clean interior, and being the FR, you've also got the sports seats, which are half leather and suede. The red stitching also matches the stitching on the steering wheel as well. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. A few other features I can mention: the car also has heated front seats, climate control, cruise control on the left hand side of the steering wheel, automatic headlights and wipers, and then on the driver's door card your electric folding mirror and full window controls. For a small SUV, the Arona has a good amount of legroom and headroom in the back there. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts. And opening the tailgate reveals a nice deep boot there with the rear seats that can be folded flat and the parcel shelf that's still in place. The boot floor is also adjustable in height, so you can increase it by a couple of inches if you wanted to. And below that, you've got some extra storage there, as well as your tyre inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, the 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, and rear parking sensors. And the car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So, if you have any questions or if you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.